Hey guys. Oh, it's dark. And is it dirty? I don't know. Alright, so just get off the parking deck like always. So today, hold on. I hate when they watch me when I vlog. So y'all, today starts Vlogmas. It's December 1st. So last year during Vlogmas, I was sick. Like, I started it and then I was like in the hospital and I was like really sick. So this year, God forbid, I hope that does not happen. Pray that that doesn't. But I'm gonna be filming starting today, and I'm gonna film multiple videos today because I do work technically full-time. So I'm not gonna, I want to have it so that all my videos for the week are recorded. I'll still vlog and stuff, but I just want to like have videos edited so that I can post them, you know. So right now I'm on my way to Target. Atlanta is freezing. It's 36 degrees outside, so I have on a coat. Damn, no blinker. Okay, Wyoming Tesla. But I have on a coat and a hat because it's cold. But so I have to run to Target. I have a little list of things I need to get so that I can, you know, just be prepared for the week and everything. And then I am also making some cookies today. That's going to be in one of my videos. I don't know if that's going to be today's video or if that's going to be in tomorrow's video. But I will be making some sugar cookies and they're so good. So you guys got to try them once I put the recipe up. Dude, if you don't get over, these people in Georgia can't, what are you doing, bro? Oh, you're not paying attention to the road. Okay. So yeah, I'm gonna film like, I hope 3 or 4 videos today and then 3 or 4 tomorrow, just because I work. I used to not work on Thursdays, but now I work Thursdays, so we'll see. I'm gonna film, okay, so here's my list of like videos that I want to shoot. I want to shoot the cookie video, I'm gonna shoot a decorating video, and I want to shoot the cookie, the decorating, oh, and a winter meal video. Yeah, I think those are the 3 I'll do today. I think those 3 will work for today. So I'll have today's video. And I'm filming this vlog, so that's technically 4 videos. But yeah, so I'm just about to go to Target and get the things I need. And I'll check you guys at Target.
I gotta tell you something I could do. I could be running around chasing you, but I won't. Cause I got better things to do. Rather spend my precious time chasing somebody who loves me too. If I got $1 for every time you slam the door, I would be the richest girl alive. If you hadn't run away every time I asked you stay, you would sleep right next to me tonight. No, you didn't want me, all you wanted was a game to play, and you couldn't handle that I had my ways. Around your mind tricks and your side chicks, I'm a winner, babe. No, you didn't win this, it's a part of the game. In the beginning I just didn't know that you're an enemy I held too close. Now I know, cause you did everything to prove me wrong. You were not the guy I thought. Now I'm beating you at your own. Yeah. If I got $1 for every time you slam the door, I would be the richest girl alive. No, you didn't want me. All you wanted was a game to play, and you couldn't handle that I had my ways. Around your mind tricks and your side chicks, I'm a winner, babe. No, you didn't win this. It's a part of the game. Yeah, I beat you at your game. And if you were me, you would do the same. Man, I really love to play, and now that I won, then it's safe to say, no, you didn't want me. All you wanted was a game to play, and you couldn't handle that I had my ways. Around your mind tricks and your side chicks, I'm a winner, babe. No, you didn't win this. It's a part of the game. No, you didn't want me. All you wanted was a game to play, and you couldn't handle that I had my ways. Around your mind tricks and your side chicks, I'm a winner, babe. No, you didn't win this. It's a part of the game. I gotta tell you something I could do. I could be running around chasing you, but I won't. Cause I got better things to do. Rather spend my precious time chasing somebody who loves me too. If I got $1 for every time you slam the door, I would be the richest girl alive. If you hadn't run away every time I asked you stay, you would sleep right next to me tonight. No, you didn't want me. All you wanted was a game to play, and you couldn't handle that I had my ways. Around your mind tricks and your side chicks, I'm a winner, babe. No, you didn't win this. It's a part of the game. In the beginning, I just didn't know that you're an enemy I held too close. Now I know, cause you did everything to prove me wrong. You were not the guy I thought. Now I'm beating you at your own. Yeah. If I got $1 for every time you slam the door, I would be the richest girl alive. No, you didn't want me. All you wanted was a game to play, and you couldn't handle that I had my ways. Around your mind tricks and your side chicks, I'm a winner, babe. No, you didn't win this. It's a part of the game. Yeah, I beat you at your game. And if you were me, you would do the same. Man, I really love to play, and now that I won, then it's safe to say, no, you didn't want me. All you wanted was a game to play, and you couldn't handle that I had my ways. Around your mind tricks and your side chicks, I'm a winner, babe. No, you didn't win this. It's a part of the game. No, you didn't want me. All you wanted was a game to play, and you couldn't handle that I had my ways. Around your mind tricks and your side chicks, I'm a winner, babe. No, you didn't win this. It's a part of the game.
All right, y'all, so I'm done at Target. I got a whole bunch of stuff. I spent more money than I wanted to. You know, you go to Target, you be like, oh, I'm gonna just spend $20 and just get what I need, right? No, I spent $120. Yeah, I don't even know what I bought. So there's that. But yeah, so I'm on my way home now, so I can get, like, do my hair and everything, and then I'm gonna start making my cookies. Oh, I look so tired. And yeah, it's a pretty day. It's just cold. Look, it's so pretty out. How pretty it is. But yeah, so I'm just gonna go and do what I gotta do. Bye. Okay, so I'm gonna show y'all what I got. So my mom uses this at her house and she loves it. So I got a Bona, and it was on sale at Target. I think I got it for like 20 bucks. It's usually 32. So I'm gonna use this to mop my floors because Swiffers are crap. Then, let's see, what's in this bag? Oh, some pepperoni, some pizza crust. I don't even like this pizza crust, but it is what it is. I wasn't going to Publix. Some sauce for my pizza. Some cheese. Let's see what else. The dog got a new toy. He's over there tearing it up already. He likes to eat the heads off of them and take the squeaky part out, right? And you're laying on my hookah. Sorry, I got a different one. Whatever. Anyway, let's see what's in this bag. Some more cheese. Let's see how this works. I always get the Clorox one, but if this works just as good, guess who's using this brand? Oh, some Christmas socks. I wanted to get festive. Some sprinkles for the cookies we're gonna make in a few. Some cocoa. I think I might want to make some chocolate cookies too, or chocolate cupcakes. Food coloring. What is this? Oh, nutmeg. That's just to have in the house. What is this? Oh, basil. Cookie cutters. This one. I gotta take out this garbage, clean these dishes. What is this? Oh, because I didn't want to make a piping bag, so I got that. Some straws, because I hate drinking out of cups. Coffee. Fabuloso. Had to get some tampons. And what's in this bag? Geez, I feel like I bought a lot of stuff. I couldn't hold my planner, so I don't know why that's in there. Some whipped cream. And then more cookie cut. Oh, a pizza cutter. Cookie cutters. A little sifter. More cookie cutters. Cookie cutter. Cookie cutter. And white sparkle gel. Icing. So yeah, so I'm gonna just clean this because this is disgusting. Put this stuff away, get dressed, and then start my cookie video.